How to set up a Wi-Fi repeater. App repeater. There are 4 LEDs. These are the device's status LEDs. Power on. Main router. I will connect the two devices together without using a cable. Pay attention to the status lights. There are 2 lights on. Wait until the wireless light turns green. At this point, the device is ready. Next, use a phone to configure the device. Follow these steps. Repeater. This is its default wireless network. Connect. A setup screen will automatically open. Extender Wi-Fi settings. There are 2 different operating modes. Using a cable and without a cable. Without a cable. Repeater mode settings. Next. Netgear. This is the wireless network on the main router. Netgear. Password. This is the password for the wireless network on the main router. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Extender Wi-Fi name. You can change it if you want. I left it as default. New Wi-Fi network name. Pay attention to the status lights. Wait until the second wireless light turns on. Wait until this light turns on to complete the setup. These are the steps to set up the repeater. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Netgear Extender. 2 devices using the same wireless password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect. Connected.